Hey, what's up guys? It's David here, and today I'm going to talk about the Gamesir T1s, which I picked up on Amazon for less than $40. And if you want something that's durable and well made but with a good price range, then this is definitely a gamepad you'd want to look into. First thing you'll notice when you open the box is that the box itself looks decent. I've bought a few items online which come in plastic wrap, so it's definitely a good touch to have a box that looks pleasing. The next thing that you'll notice is that it's very light and it has a good feel to it. The material itself is like a grippy textured plastic, and even though that doesn't scream premium, it's still very durable. I've been using this for about 4 months now, and it's showing no signs of degrading or any signs of wear and tear for that matter. And the best part is that it grips very well. The buttons themselves feel very nice as well, and all I can say is that they feel like a real game console. And it has all the buttons that you need to play older console games as well as the newer games that are coming out that you can download off of Google Play. And for example, I've been playing a lot of Modern Combat on it, and all the buttons are pre-configured. It also has the traditional shoulder buttons on top, and it has both of them, so you can play your traditional first-person shooter games no problem, just like you would on a PS4. Next to the shoulder button on the left is a home button, which if you're connected to an Android phone will bring up Google Assistant. You might be able to reprogram that, but I haven't tried yet. Then you have your select and turbo buttons. So like I said, all the buttons are there and you could play pretty much any type of game on it. And you can connect this to 4 different types of platforms or operating systems. So you have Android, you have Apple, you have traditional Microsoft, and the X I believe is Linux, which I've never tried. And just a heads up to iOS users out there, I heard the iOS capabilities are very limited, so I would do some extra research before I buy this for any Apple devices. So there's 3 ways to connect this device to another device. You can either use the Wi-Fi dongle that it comes with. You can't really see it right now, but there's actually a little USB Wi-Fi dongle in there that slides right out, and you can connect that to your computer or whatever device you're using. You can also use Bluetooth to connect it, or you can use a wire through the micro USB dongle right there. And the best way to connect it is actually with a wire, because you will experience a little bit of lag using the other methods. It's nothing major, but it's there. And I find that the lag is more noticeable in some games than others. For example, when you're playing a game like Modern Combat, because you want the controls to be sensitive enough to where your movements are very precise, then going with the wired connection would definitely be the better way to go. No matter which way you choose to connect, connecting in general is very easy. So for example, if I want to connect to an Android device, I hold down the home button on top, and at the same time I press the A button. If I want to connect to my Microsoft laptop, I hold down the X button and the home button. And the other 2 buttons are for Linux and Apple, which I have not tried yet. And that's it, guys. Yeah, so I just wanted to make this video to help some of you guys out there who are trying to decide which mobile gamepad to go with. And like I said, in my opinion, this is an excellent choice. And for the price, you probably can't find anything much better out there. All right, thanks, guys. Take care.